Our next step is developing what we call test closes. I also want you to make a note that the word test or trial can be used synonymously as you start learning more about the profession. You might read a book where the author says, now you'll use a trial close. Then you read another book and it says, now try a test close. Well, I don't want you to get confused. They are basically the same thing. See, a test or trial close is a small little question that only tests them as to how they feel at this point. It's not blatant. In fact, one thing you'll learn over the years is the top producers in this business never blatantly ask people to buy. You'd never have them hear them say something like, well, okay, what do you say? Shall we write her up? Hey, shall you take her home? That is too blatant. The pro tests them with test questions. For example, what a nice little question. John, how are you feeling about all of this so far? See, I didn't ask for a definite, are you taking it or not? I want to know how you're feeling. Or you might turn to the couple, John and Mary. Do you see why we're so excited about what this product or service does for the families we serve? Now, those two little questions are beautiful. In fact, watch how nicely they work when they're applied at the actual table.
You can't deny that the machinery runs smoothly.
Well, John, how are you feeling about all this so far?
Everything you've shown me looks great, Gene, but it costs a lot more than I thought. We're just going to have to pass on this one for right now.
Mary, David, do you see why we're so excited about the wide range of financial plans available through American Financial Services?
Oh, I certainly do. I'm just not sure that making all of these changes at once is really comfortable for us.
Yeah, according to what you show here, I mean, we'll have to make quite a few changes, and it's not going to be overnight.
Right.
But I understand how things are going to get better by making those changes. So I guess I was just hoping for a simple solution to fix everything all at once.
So again, the test closes are just nice little questions that test how they feel. Didn't demand a response as far as, oh yes, we'll take it. But if you do get a positive response, we go to the next level, which is to get ready to start filling out any paperwork necessary. Now let's say you got a negative response. John, how are you feeling about all this so far? And he says, Tom, I'm just not ready. It's not for us at this point. Well, I must continue to present, ask more questions. He's not ready to move in to the final close. Work on those two little closes. They're wonderful, and you'll be amazed at how they work to lead them to get ready for the final closing sequence.